Hey guys, this is Alexis with Soulfit Leather. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I antique my brass. Disclaimer, I get my brass from Weaver Leather, and this works for their specific brass. It is solid brass, and I'm pretty sure it'll work everywhere else, but this is how I do it. You need 3 items. Regular white distilled vinegar, a Walmart special steamer, okay? Regular steamer, and a burner. I don't use the burner, okay? I'll tell you why here in a second. But first, let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you how I do it without the burner. Fill the bottom of this, about 1 inch of vinegar. Put the lid on it. Put the steamer in there. You do not want the vinegar to get up into the bottom of this. In other words, you don't want to soak the brass. Do not put it too high where it's coming up through the bottom of this thing. Just want maybe 1/2 inch of vinegar in there. Then you throw your brass in there, put the lid on it, and let it sit. I usually let it sit for about 6 to 8 hours to give you that kind of look that I have. Yeah, that's it. What you want to do too, every hour or two, go in there, mix it up, because you'll see that the bottom of them will get corroded or antiqued more than the other side. So if you really want a uniform look, you have to be a little more tedious. That's not the look I go for. But if you want to, you can go in there every 30, 20 minutes, just go in there and mix them up so that, you know, it antiques a little more evenly. I've let it sit for 2 days before, and it got like almost black. It did have some kind of deposits that you had to brush off, but it came out good. So leave it in there depending how long you want to antique, 1 hour to 8 hours, even longer. Just keep an eye on it. The other thing is, if you're in a rush and you need to get something done 30 minutes or 1 hour, go ahead and put it, same amount of fluid, go ahead and put it on a burner and cut it off and let it steam, okay? What I typically do is I cut it on high and let it start steaming, then I cut it off. Just the vapor that it produces, that little bit, will antique it really fast. If you leave it on high, you're gonna evaporate the vinegar a lot more. Another reason why I don't use the burner is because I can reuse the same vinegar that's in there time and time again. So I don't know if, because I do that, my steamer pot is kind of seasoned, and I'm really hesitant to get a new one because mine kind of leaks a little bit. You see that? That was because I left it on the burner too much and it burned the bottom. Or it just corroded through, I don't know. But I've had that pot for about 3 or 4 years. So once you get them out, get you some WD-40 and a rag, preferably a microfiber rag so it doesn't leave any kind of lint. Spray the crap out of them and go ahead and clean off. Sometimes you'll see some green deposits. That comes off right easy with the WD-40 and the rag. And that is all for antiquing brass. That's how I do it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below. And that's it. Talk to you later. Bye. You can go ahead and get yourself one. Let me start all over. I'm gonna go ahead and start all over, dude. I am pissed off. That's why I'm not good at these videos, man. Dang. Let me start again.